Now, coming to the final specification, specification number 14. This one asks us to describe peristalsis. Peristalsis refers to the wave-like contractions of the circular and longitudinal muscles in the digestive tract. These coordinated contractions push the bolus of food forward, starting from the pharynx and continuing all the way through to the rectum. Peristalsis is the process that keeps food moving along the alimentary canal. In the esophagus, the muscles in the walls contract in wave-like patterns, pushing the food bolus forward. Once the bolus reaches the stomach, it's churned and mixed into a semi-liquid called chyme, which is then passed into the small intestine. This movement is made possible by two sets of muscles working together. The circular muscles contract to narrow the lumen, while the longitudinal muscles contract to shorten that section of the canal. Together, their alternating contractions produce the wave-like action that drives food along. Peristalsis happens throughout the entire alimentary canal. In the esophagus, where food is still fairly solid, mucus is secreted to lubricate the bolus and reduce friction. Dietary fiber also plays an important role here. It provides roughage that the muscles can push against, making peristalsis more effective. If we look more closely at the mechanism of peristalsis, it's all about the circular and longitudinal muscles working together in a wave-like rhythm to move food along the digestive canal. Step 1. The circular muscles contract just behind the food mass, squeezing it forward. Step 2. The longitudinal muscles in front of the food contract, shortening that section of the canal and making space for the food to move into. Step 3. The circular muscles contract again, pushing the food mass further along. By repeating these steps in sequence, the food keeps moving steadily through the digestive system. That concludes everything for Unit 8.2 on the human digestive system. I hope this explanation has helped you grasp the main ideas clearly. Keep an eye out for the next unit, and I look forward to going through it with you soon.